I would like to show you my new favorite AI feature, which is transforming any photo to any other style as I wish. Here I insert the same photo. I just added the duplicated for reference and adding a motif, what I would like to use as a reference. So the trick is just click on the image, go into the Ask Canva, and select the image already selected and describe my ID. I will add this prompt to the description so you will find it, and I just submit. Now it's done, as you can see. So you can see the difference between the two images. It's really keep the original style, but use this reference type what I gave it to the AI. So that's a pretty cool, easy trick what we can do with any image. I really like it. So that's really straightforward and easy things to play with the images. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you have any question of Canva or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list in a Facebook page, and of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. In the description you can find also a link for my Buy Me a Coffee site where you can support me even with the smallest amount just to buying new stuff or adding new applications, buying tokens for applications to try in Canva, which is also required for new videos. So if you support me, I highly appreciated it, even with the smallest amount also. As I mentioned already, you can find all of those links in the description. But now this tutorial will go into the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.